Welcome to Soulful Conversations with Modern Day Healers. This is your daily practice with Lizz Naughton. In a world that never stops, we take a few minutes to find our center, using the wisdom of the 5 elements to return to wholeness. Whether you're finding your flow this morning, refreshing your spirit at midday, or settling into the stillness of evening, you are here, you are present, and you are whole. Let's begin. Okay, well, let's do a reset just in case we need one. If your morning's been great, no worries. Just keep the momentum going. If you've had a little bit of a rough day so far, we're going to get that all recalibrated right now. Go ahead and close your eyes. You're going to take your left hand and you're just going to rest it on your solar plexus, which is right in between your navel and your sternum. And then you're going to take your right hand and you're going to place it right on top of that. And you're just very gently going to bring your attention to that breath. Just feel your hand move up and down as your diaphragm moves up and down with your breath. If you haven't done so already, go ahead and close your eyes. And we're just going to get back into our body. If you like, you can imagine a golden thread pulling gently at the crown of your head, and it's lengthening your neck. It's dropping all of the tension that's accumulated in your shoulders. And just think that you are recalibrating your center back from doing into just simply being. So as you do that, let's just send our attention to each one of our centers. I'm going to start at the root chakra, which is at the very end of our tailbone. Just check in right there. Take a nice deep breath and just kind of breathe through that center. If there's anything that scared you today, send it on out. You don't need it. On our next breath, let's move up into the sacrum, or our second chakra, which is right in the pelvic area. Wonderful. Let's go ahead and check in with the solar plexus. Bring your attention to your belly between your navel and sternum. Allow yourself to feel your entire body sink into the chair. Just let the chair support you. Excellent. So let's now move up into the heart center, which is just above the sternum, about 4 fingers width, if you're not familiar with where your heart chakra is. So yeah, if you want, you can take your right hand and you can just rest it right there. So now we have one hand on the solar plexus and the other hand is actually on the heart chakra. And just hook those 2 centers up. Let them start a conversation, if you will. So now on your next breath, bring your attention up to your throat chakra, and that's the actual hollow in your throat. Excellent. So bring the breath up into the third eye. For some of us, it's going to be the space between your eyebrows. And for some of us, it's going to be an inch or 2 above that spot in the middle of our forehead. Just bring your consciousness into that center. And as you continue to focus on your third eye, visualize a single point of light in the center of your forehead. And as you breathe, that light becomes smaller and tighter and more intense. It burns away all of the distractions that you've had this morning. It clears the fog. You begin to feel that you aren't scattered across a dozen tasks anymore. you can see that you're pulling all of your energy back into this one single point. You are a beam of light, steady and unshakable. And just go ahead and take a nice deep breath in. And allow that light now to shoot out the very top of your crown chakra, connecting you to the heavens. And as you stay focused within your body, let's do a few affirmations and just let these words lock into place, giving you a firm foundation for the afternoon. I am centered, aligned, and fully capable. I choose my focus. I don't let the day choose it for me. My energy is concentrated and my mind is sharp. I move through my work with effortless precision. I am the calm and the center of the storm. And nice deep breath in. Let it out. Before you return to the world, feel the strength in your core. You're not leaning into the future with anxiety, and you're not pulling back into the past with regret. You are standing exactly in the center of now. Decide on the most important thing you will do next. See yourself doing it with total ease and total presence. Let's take one more nice deep breath in. And when you're ready, let it out. Open your eyes. Feel the floor beneath your feet and the clarity in your mind. You can carry this alignment with you. You are focused, you are ready, and you've got this. Thank you for sharing your practice with me today. If you found peace in this flow, I invite you to carry it with you into the world. For more reflections, meditations, and resources for a balanced life, visit me at lizznaughton.com. Until next time, stay centered, grounded, and be well. Namaste.